Hey YouTube, and thank you for watching Junkworks DIY Garage. Well, it is the long-awaited safety wire or safety switch or whatever you want to call it video. So this is the short version of this video. So if you have any questions about anything, please, before you ask below, go ahead and go check out the long version. It will probably answer your question. If it doesn't, then go ahead and leave a comment below on that one. And what it is in my truck, I did one of my most popular videos I ever did was how to get this stupid thing to start when it wasn't wanting to start. You can go watch that video if you want, which that's when I say. If you like this video or want to go watch other videos on this truck or any other vehicle I have, go check out the playlists in my channel. I have several videos on this, including what you see here where all the plastics are off of this. I have a video of taking all the plastics off. I have a video of taking the steering wheel off. This truck does not have an airbag, so if you have an airbag in your vehicle, then you need to do all your safety precautions for that. I have disconnected my battery, so we'll start there. Disconnect your battery. And here it is. Now, I got this and the switch that I just showed you at carparts.com. So, the first thing we need to do, pull that off. Also, on my channel, on my playlist, I have a video on that. So, go check that out. It will show you how to take this off and everything. So, I may have to go watch it, because I don't remember exactly how that came off. We got this all torn apart, but now we have the wires that go right there, underneath there, and around and down underneath the dash. Appears there's probably like I believe it's a 7mm, I'm not sure, screw right in the middle of that. There's a bar right here that seems like it is going to be in the way of this coming all the way out. So I'm going to go ahead and start taking this tape, the black tape off of here, or whatever this is. It's kind of a rubbery tape off of here, and pull this out of here. I believe I've already told you what size that is when I started doing that. In fact, I already got it out. So as you can see, that's just unplugs from there. And we got to deal with unplugging whatever these are here, and obviously yet again the red one here. So I probably actually, before I mess with any more of this, so I'm not hanging too much off of these, I'm going to try and get those out. Yet again, those are up underneath here where I don't believe I'm going to be able to get a camera to. This green and black one was plugged into that whatever it is thing. Then this one here, which is orange, blue, and kind of a tan or brown color, right here, was plugged into this right here, which was actually pushed up in here. I got this unhooked. I've got these unhooked. Now I have my brake module thing here for the trailer brakes. I've noticed here I need to untape it right here. These wires here somehow are going to have to unhook from each side of this. Right in here, there's a little bump. So I think there's something just kind of behind that. You're going to have to be really careful with this stuff. You break it, you're going to have to go find it, because this does not come with the wire. These two things here on the sides don't come with the wiring harness. So yeah, there's on the side of that, there's just a little bump, and there's a corresponding catch right here. But behind here, let's pull this out of the way a little bit here. I'm hoping you can see right there is a reverse Torx screw, and I call it reverse Torx. I'm not sure if that's the technical name for it, but instead of it being a male Torx fitting, it's a female Torx style. So in that case, I have gone in here, and I actually think this one, I'm gonna get my head in your way here, I think it's too big, but it is working. This is what we're actually replacing here. Oh, it does look like there's another one, should be up in here. Right there is another one, but there's no way you're going to get anything in between the box and this right here. So I'm going to have to mess with this and see what I can figure out. Since I can't get to that screw down there for now, I did also notice there's another little doodad here that plugs in. There we go. But what I did find was this 6-point, let's see what it says, 1/4 inch drive, 1/8 inch 6-point deep socket. So I got it at Napa. It was like $5, a little bit less than $5 in there, like straight, but I was able to get it at kind of an angle so it went. So it appears that that'll work to get this off and don't lose it like I probably just did. So we got it out. This hopefully, yeah, just pulls out, and our wires are now gone. So now we are going to take this and we are going to hope that it lines up with the holes here. Also need to make sure this gets put around here. Okay, that went in there. Now I'm going to get the screws, and same way as they came out, put them in. I don't think you need to watch that switch, so it's going to be kind of a difficult, slightly difficult. There we go. And then turn it, and then that should be the end of that. Those will go up underneath there, that'll go there. Then we got our other plug here, which should plug in right up here. And I'm going to reinstall my switch. And I'm sure there's a specific torque for that, and I'll let you all figure out what that is. It is what I did. I turned the key, and the normal lights that should come on came on. Now that check engine light might stay on, we'll see. It might not because I've undid the battery. But I'm not seeing any smoke coming underneath here from anywhere. So that's a good sign that things are somewhat working. Alright. And my brake is on, so if you see that light. I am going to put it in reverse and drive, put it in park, and shut it off. And all appears to be working. I'm going to check all my lights now that I messed with all that wiring. So my emergency flashers are working. If those are working, my blinkers are probably working. But I'm going to check all the systems that have to do with electrical for the most part, and figure out, or at least make sure that everything is working that should be working. Alright, I think, unless something happens, which if I have a problem before I put this up, it'll be at the end of this video, but if I have a problem down the road, and this ends up being where I need to toggle it some more or mess with it more, or something happens with the switch, anything happens, after me, you'll be the first to know. So Thanks for watching Junkworks DIY Garage, where I'm proud to say I'm a jack of all and master of none. You all have a good one.